Kim, thank you. Voters in Wisconsin will cast their ballots in April for a new candidate to join the Wisconsin Supreme Court. The election is already garnering national attention. Our political reporter Darielle Fair sat down with former Wisconsin Supreme Court Justice Janine Geske on why both the Republican and Democratic parties are watching this race very closely.
The new year is here, and Wisconsin is now just 3 months away from yet another historical race in April, one that could change who has the ideological majority on the state Supreme Court. Dane County Judge Suzanne Crawford and former Republican State Attorney General Brad Schimel will face off in a highly contested race for the Wisconsin Supreme Court. The candidate who wins will fill the seat liberal-leaning Justice Ann Walsh Bradley plans to vacate when her term ends July 31st. Bradley announced back in April that she would not be seeking re-election, saying in a statement that she knows she could win another term if she were to run again, but it's time to pass the torch. Currently the longest-serving justice on the court, Bradley was appointed to the bench in 1995 and has been re-elected twice. State Republicans are eager for Schimel to win the seat after liberal-leaning Justice Janet Protesewicz secured Wisconsin's consequential Supreme Court race nearly 2 years ago.
Justice Ann Walsh Bradley, along with 3 other justices that sort of make up what people describe as the liberal coalition, have endorsed Susan Crawford. Brad Schimel, who's been a Republican and very much have conservatives on his side, is arguing that he's trying to restore the court. And so it will swing the court, at least in the perception of the public, and I think probably practically on some political issues.
Chair of the Wisconsin Elections Commission, Commissioner Ann Jacobs, also joins me on the show as the commission voted unanimously to move forward with its probe into the nearly 200 ballots that went uncounted here in Madison during the November election. This week on Capital City Sunday at 9 a.m. In Madison, I'm Darielle Fair.